Reverse psychology. It sounds clever, right? The idea of saying the opposite of what you want to achieve the desired outcome. But is it really that simple? And more importantly, is it ethical? Truth is, reverse psychology can be a risky tactic. Used incorrectly, it can damage trust, breed resentment, and backfire spectacularly. Here are 5 banned reverse psychology techniques you should avoid. 1. The insulting bluff, sarcastically saying, "Oh yeah, that totally won't work," hoping the person will prove you wrong. This is disrespectful and can make the other person defensive. 2. The fake disinterest, feigning indifference by saying whatever you want, when you actually care deeply. This can be confusing and make the person feel like their opinion doesn't matter. 3. The forbidden fruit, trying to create an off-limit scenario by saying don't even think about doing that, when you secretly hope they will. This can be tempting for rebellious personalities, but ultimately fosters mistrust. 4. The martyr act, sulking and saying fine, I'll do it myself, hoping the person will cave in and offer help. This passive-aggressive behavior is emotionally manipulative and creates unnecessary drama. 5. The guilt trip, peppering your requests with phrases like "after all I've done for you." This guilt-based approach is unfair and puts pressure on the other person. So, what are the alternatives? Open communication, clear requests, and honest compromise are far more effective in the long run. Instead of saying, "You never listen to me." Reverse psychology. Try, "I feel like I'm not being heard. Can we talk about this?" Honest communication. Instead of saying, "Fine, I'll go to that party alone." Reverse psychology martyr act. Try, "Hey, is there anything I can do to make that party more enjoyable for you?" Open communication. Building healthy relationships requires trust and respect. By ditching these manipulative tactics and embracing direct communication, you'll find yourself getting what you want, and more importantly, fostering genuine connections. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more content like this. Comment your thoughts below. If you are not subscribed, then we'll never meet again, so I wish you all the best. If you are subscribed, see you on the next video.